It's time to unbox a package from Target.com. Find out more after this. Hey guys, Entertainment Reviews here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be taking a look at this package from Target.com. Now, I was supposed to receive this in the mail Tuesday, but because my post office is really slow, I didn't get it until Saturday, which is today. So that's 4 days late, so hopefully nothing in here is damaged. I already know what this is, but I want to go ahead and unbox it for y'all so y'all can see what's inside. Let me go ahead and get this unboxed. Okay, so unlike most boxes I get from Target, this one opens from the top, which is unusual. Let me go ahead and crack this open and hope nothing's damaged. Okay, so the first thing you'll see when you open the box is the movie itself, so let me go ahead and get that out. Now, in pre-ordering this set back in April, I think you had the option to get 4K or Blu-ray. Now, I do not own a 4K player or TV, so I did get the regular Blu-ray digital combo pack, and I'm really glad to have this on Blu-ray because I know it's going to look great on Blu-ray. I have not seen it in Blu-ray yet. Looking forward to watching it. Now, I really love this slipcover. I really love the artwork on the front. Only thing I don't love is the stupid Movies Anywhere, but, you know, can't really do anything about that. But yeah, here's a pic on screen of a better look. Just the front artwork looks amazing. I loved it. It has Thanos, Iron Man, etc. Just a really nice looking artwork on the front. Now the back of the box is pretty much really nice as well. I like that you can see all the Avengers on the bottom there, and on the left corner you can actually see the bonus features. There should be a pic on screen if you want to pause and take a look at them bonus features. Go ahead. I'm really looking forward to checking these bonus features out later tonight. But yeah, this is just a really great looking Blu-ray set. Let me go ahead and take the slipcover off and unwrap it, and I'll show y'all what's inside. Okay, so in opening this, the inside is pretty simple. You have your standard Disney Blue Blu-ray disc with the title, and then you have a pamphlet for the Disney Movie Club, along with your digital copy. That is pretty simple. You just got your two pamphlets and your disc. Nothing too special. Really nice. Can't wait to check out the bonus features on this disc and see how the quality is on Blu-ray. Definitely looking forward to this. And that is a look at the Blu-ray digital combo pack for Avengers Infinity War. Now let me go ahead and move on to what else is in this box, because I know a lot of y'all are probably wanting to see it just as much as I am. Okay, let me go ahead and get this out. Okay, so they actually packaged it pretty good. And this is the Red Chrome Target Red Card exclusive Iron Man pop from Avengers Infinity War. Now, I'm not sure if this is still available on the website. I think it's sold out. But if it is, I'll leave a link in the description so you can get this. This is actually a really nice looking pop. I do not have any chrome pops other than the black chrome Batman from NYCC. So I'm really glad to add this red chrome Iron Man to my Marvel collection. I think this is way nicer than the gold chrome they released in Australia. I think this is way nicer than that. But that might just be my personal opinion. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. But this is just a really nice looking pop. It's simple. It's just one solid color. It's chrome. And I really enjoy this. I'm glad that it came in mint condition. There's no creases, no nothing. It's mint condition. And I really enjoy this pop. I can't wait to add this with the rest of my other Iron Man pops. And yeah, this is just a look at the Funko Pop that comes in the Avengers Infinity War Target Red Card bundle. This is the Red Chrome Iron Man, and it looks amazing. And that is a look at the Blu-ray Funko Bundle Target Red Card exclusive for Avengers Infinity War. If you like what you've seen here today, then give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to click that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified of future uploads. And with that being said, I am off. I'll see you guys in the next video. To infinity and beyond.